sport bike. The road racing contest is over, and the winner is the black bike number 10. Sport bikes are very fast. They can go up to 400 kilometers per hour. To win a road racing contest, you must be super fast. To be super fast, you must have a great mechanic. And I think we know just the guy.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Hey there! How can I help?
And the sport bike told BiBi his story.
I see. To make you go fast, first we should get you a new motor. Would you help?
Hey guys, let's help BiBi get the new motor.
Great! Thanks!
Is this what we're looking for?
No, it's a headlight. We switch those on when it's dark.
How about a fuel tank?
Nope. Fuel tank is where we put the fuel. It's not a motor. Well, of course. That's what we've been looking for. This new motor should do the job. Hey, Bikey. We got you a brand new mighty motor. It's way better than your old one. Now let's see how it fits. Well, let's hook you up. All done. Now with my computer, I'm gonna check your new motor. It's gonna be fun. Come on, give me some juice. Good. 200 kmph. Not bad for first try. But that's not enough to win the race. Come on, come on. 400! That's so fast! Good job! I'm sure you'll win now! Looks like you're good and ready for the contest, but I think we should paint you up a bit to make you look more like a real fast spot superbike. But what color should we choose? Let's see. What if we paint you red?
What did you say? Green?
No. We get green by mixing yellow and a bit of blue. If you guys have watercolors, you can try it yourselves. But we don't need the green.
Hey BiBi, what's this color?
Come on. Everyone knows it's purple. Yay! This is the color we've been looking for. Now you're ready for the contest. Good luck!
And the race is almost over. Our contestants are making their last lap. I wonder who's gonna be the winner. Look guys, it's BiBi. Came to support our friend number 8. Look at them go! Soon we'll find out who's gonna be the winner. And the winner is sport bike number 8. That's how BiBi helped number 8 come first and win the cup. Thanks for helping guys, and thank you BiBi. You're the best.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
The car factory. BiBi always wanted to know what happens in the car factory. Finally, he decided to have a look-see on his day off. Hey, why don't we join BiBi and check out the car factory together? BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
It's always loud at the car factory. There are a lot of tools and robots. To make sure we don't damage our hearing, we should slip on these headphones. The building process begins with a frame. The frame should be very firm and solid. Has to be strong enough to hold many different parts. Engine, transmission, suspension, and steering. Then comes the carcass. When the car is finished, the carcass becomes car's interior. It fits the driver and his passengers. Finally, they fix the wheels. Without wheels, car wouldn't be able to move.
Suddenly, everything stopped.
Hey, wait a minute, what happened?
And then BiBi noticed that the main cable was off. Perhaps the snap went loose and the cable switched off.
We gotta do something quick. If we won't do something, robots won't be able to make cars anymore. Lucky I got my tools. Alrighty. First of all, we must completely turn off the power supply. But where's the main switch?
Maybe this is it?
Nope. This one's used in case of fire.
Or this?
Nuh-uh. It's a gas pipe.
Then it must be this one.
Woohoo! Yep, that's the power switch we're looking for. Okay. Now that the power is off, we can safely put the main cable back. To do this, we must use the right tool. Now let's see what options we have.
How about the wrench?
Nope, wrench is for bolts and nuts.
What about this tool?
No, that's a clipper. It's for clipping wires.
Then it must be it.
Woohoo! The screwdriver, of course! Let's fix that screw. All done! Let's turn it back up.
Finally, BiBi went on with his tour.
When the carcass is set, they start putting seats. There's one driver's seat and 3 passenger seats. Next step is the doors. Looks like something's missing. That's right, it needs windows. We need a windshield, side windows, and a rear window. Okay, time to fix hood and trunk. Now some finishing touches. Lights and mirrors. That's it! Cool! And so today, BiBi had a lot of fun at the car factory. Time to go back to workshop. Thanks for the tour, BiBi. What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
Halloween! Look, guys, it's a minivan. He's very happy because he was invited to celebrate Halloween. Hey, what's this? Those are Halloween costumes? Listen, you gotta get ready for the party, minivan. Why don't you go see BiBi? He'll dress you up for the party.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Meanwhile, BiBi was getting ready for the party himself. Look at all those spooky pumpkins and spider webs. Ooh!
Oh! Hey, minivan! What's up?
And the minivan told BiBi about the Halloween party and that everybody had to wear a costume.
Wow!
And that he couldn't find one for himself.
It happens. Don't worry, you'll be ready for the party in no time. I've got plenty of paint to get you ready for the party. Okay, let's get started. Let's see what can I do for ya. I got an idea. Let's start with the wheels. We gotta make you look spooky. Okay, let's choose.
What about this?
Nope, not spooky at all. Looks more like a pizza slice.
How about this?
Nope, not scary.
These look cool.
Yeah, they've got bats on them. That's perfect for Halloween. Excellent. Now let's decorate your tow bar. You're not gonna use it at the party, right? So let's put something funny on it. What options do we have? Let's see.
This one.
Oh, come on! It's a Christmas tree!
What about this flower?
Nuh-uh! Flowers aren't for Halloween!
What about a pumpkin?
Alright! Pumpkins are good for Halloween! You look great already! Let's just add a few things. Awesome! Great job! Now you look really spooky! I think now you're ready for the party! Have fun, minivan! See ya!
The Halloween party went great. Everyone really liked Minivan's costume. Thank you, BiBi!
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.